let's look and analyze the polynomial function for number 4. We're going to graph this without the use of a graphing calculator. So the first thing I see is that all terms contain at least one x. And I have a negative 1/2. That seems like it's going to be really confusing to leave there. I'm going to factor out a negative 1/2 x. And I'm left with 1x squared. So what number 1 divided by 2 gives me 4? That'd be 8. I need to end up with a negative 4, so this needs to be positive. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. What value when divided by 2 gives you a 16? Oh, gives you an 8. The answer is 16. 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. Let's make sure we did this right. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1, divided by 2 is negative 1/2, and I have a total of 3 x's. Positive 8 times negative 1 is negative 8, divided by 2 is negative 4, and I have 2 x's. Negative 1 times 16 is negative 16, divided by 2 is negative 8, and I have 1 x. Am I able to factor this? What multiplies to give you 16 and combines to give you a positive 8? That'd be 4 and 4. Because the leading coefficient is a 1, I get to do this the easy way, x plus 4 and x plus 4. So I have 3 different factors there. I'm going to set each one of these equal to 0, and I'm going to solve. Negative 1/2 x equals 0, so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. And x still just equals 0. Setting each one of these equal to 0, and I don't need to write it twice. I get an answer of x equals negative 4 twice. So I have a double at negative 4 and a single multiplicity at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a double here and a single at 0. Okay, also let's talk about the y-intercept. The y-intercept can be achieved by making all the x's equal to 0. So y equals, remember this is the same as y equals, this would be 0 and 0 and 0, y equals 0. This is also the y-intercept. I have an odd degree with a leading coefficient that's negative. An odd negative means down on the right, up on the left. Down on the right and up on the left. Okay, remember it says that at negative 4 it has to bounce off. So it needs to bounce off and then eventually it comes back down here. Number 4.